In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add everyone to a channel in Slack. If you've just created a new space for announcements, team updates, or a project kickoff, adding your whole workspace at once saves a ton of time. I'll walk you through the desktop experience, and along the way, I'll point out a few tips so everything goes smoothly. Before we start, note that you'll need permission to add members to the channel, and this option is most commonly available in public channels. If you don't see what I show, your workspace settings or your role may limit access. First, open Slack and go to the channel where you want everyone to join. Make sure you're in the right workspace and that you've selected the exact channel you want to populate. It's a good idea to quickly verify whether the channel is public or private, since that can affect what options appear next. At the top of the channel, click the channel name. This opens the Channel Details panel, which is where Slack keeps everything related to that space: the description, pinned items, settings, and membership. Inside the Details view, choose Members. This tab shows who is already in the channel. It's useful to scan this list for a second to avoid duplicates and to confirm you're about to add people to the correct place. Now click Add People. This opens a window where you can invite members. In addition to the search field, Slack often provides a shortcut to add everyone in your workspace to this channel in one click. Look for the option that says something like, Add all members of your workspace. Click that. Slack will show you how many people are about to be added. This counts active members of your organization based on your workspace's current roster. Depending on your settings, certain guests or external collaborators might not be included. If you don't see this option, it usually means the channel is private or you don't have the necessary permissions. In that case, check with an admin to enable it or to run the bulk ad for you. Finally, confirm by clicking Add. Slack will process the request and bring everyone into the channel. New members will have access to the channel according to your retention and privacy settings, and they may receive a notification about being added, depending on their preferences. That's it. You've added your entire workspace to a single channel with just a few clicks. As a final tip, consider posting a short welcome message or pinning guidelines so newcomers know the purpose of the channel and how to use it. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking!